In this video, we'll be practicing language skills through short stories, and whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these stories will help you improve your vocabulary, your grammar, your comprehension, and of course, your knowledge of numbers. John was born on October 5th, 2005. He loved playing video games and spent 3 hours playing his favorite game every day. One day, he received a gift card for his 10th birthday and decided to buy a new game. He checked out the release date and found out that it was coming out on November 10th, 2015 or 2015. John was very excited and marked the date on his calendar. He saved his gift card and waited patiently for the game to be released. Finally, the day arrived and he rushed to the store to buy it. It was worth the wait. John spent 6 hours playing the game that day and couldn't wait to play it again the next day. Now, in this story, we used numbers October 5th, 2005. 2005, that's the year. For his 10th birthday. Notice that I didn't say for his 10th birthday, I said 10th birthday. When we are talking about birthdays, we might say his first birthday, or his second birthday, or third, or fourth, or fifth. At the end, you would have a TH sound with 10th. So he checked the release date for the video. The release date is when the video goes public, when the video is now being sold in stores. It's being released in November. So in November, John will be able to buy this video game in a store. He also saved his gift card. A gift card is a plastic card, like a credit card that someone purchased for him. And on this card, there's money. Well, he can use the gift card to buy a gift. So he can go to a store and give the gift card, and on this card, you'll be able to use the money that has been added to the gift card. It's a really nice way to give a gift to someone without really thinking of what to buy, because they can buy anything they want with the gift card. Now, he rushed to the store. That means that he hurried to the store. Maybe he walked really fast to the store, or maybe he ran to the store, or maybe he didn't run to the store. Maybe he simply got to the store very quickly because he wanted to buy it. So rushed can mean doing something very quickly. Well, this is Teacher Linda G. I hope you enjoyed our videos today. Stay tuned for more great videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.